Good morning, students. Today we start our chapter sports training. In this sports training, we will learn about the sports and how to give the training of the player and how coaches are giving the player to the training that and what is the meaning of the sports importance, which things are sports training objectives, and how to principle which are the principles of the sports training are using. In first, we learn about the meaning of the sports. In a meaning sports, today's games are very sports and specialized field. It is required to scientific and systematic type of training improve the performance of player. Means that both things we needed in there. Scientific things we needed how to improve, and specific things which one old we are using, that things are we needed in the sports, and together make a improve the performance of the player. Each quality each activity requires specific type of physical fitness component, and improve this component a specific type of training. Means every player, every game type specific training should be needed there. Means that football player training is a different type of their training. Badminton player should be a different type of training is there. But the program of the sports training also guide us a preventive safe and correct way to perform a physical activity. Nowadays, where every sports competition becoming a tough, thus best training method develop and used to improve the excellence, and with the help of coaches and their players. And next is the meaning of the concept of training. In meaning of training, a training word using for the practical and theoretical. Practical means which one we are doing on the ground, and theoretical means which one we are learning, and both are giving us to knowledge, and with the word as very deep meaning I have there. Training method means various type of meaning to sport performance which we are doing, and we are doing that various type of performance in the training method. And the knowledge no sorry and the theoretical means which one we are learning on the from the for the sports, that things are the theoretical knowledge. And both are the very important for the sports. It helps to develop basic skills, advanced skills, and technique skills and strategies of the player. Emotionally, they can stabilize, and motivationally force they and many more things are there given. And in simple words, they are giving the practical and theoretical regarding performance also guide to how improve further through different ways. It knowledge too good for coaches as well as important for the player also. And next, training method consists of periods of split into training sessions. There are many types of type of training methods are there. Program, which one is a quarterly means which one using on the days wise, half yearly, manually, and biannually. Result based process means there are macro circle means that which one we are work out for the monthly plan. Mesocycle, which one work for the workout for the weekly. And microcycle, which one work out from the day wise. Three parts of their: preparatory period, competition period, transition period. First, preparatory period. There are three phases are the in the preparatory period. First phase are the which one are developing to the general abilities of a physical fitness like a strength and endurance of these are the basic skills on there. It is a doing with the help of running and other exercises also. Phase 2, which are the flexibility and coordination and speeds are the increasing, and with the help of exercises. And it is necessary for the 2 months about the practice. Then third is the training of the player, develop tactics and strategy whichever are the using for the game and the competition. That is a phase 3. Next is competition period. In the competition period, player participate the competition aims to achieve the performance and the competition. to win in the game, but it should be have to motivation and feedback to provide the peak performance of the player. Always competition in the game, player should be aimed that they have to give the best performance, not should be win every time. That is a competition. Then third is a transition period, off season. This is a relaxing period of the after competition, means that a player get recovery and competition to stress of maintain physical ability of the next competition. If one performance they have done, then they have to ready for the next performance. For there they have to transition period, they will we will call them we will call that. And in this period they have to take a rest properly for the ready for the next their competition. Then which one are the importance of the sports training? That build up strength and endurance, improve their skill levels, build confidence, and give the knowledge properly for the games, increasing blood circulation, improve flexibility and agility, improve muscle their tones, fast removal of the waste product, fast recovery from the injuries, improve immunities, build motivations, develop the specific fitness components, less injuries, improve diets, and improve concentration.